Well, I look like I have an abundance of green. Okay, I can't stress enough how cool green is because it means go or grow. Okay, or mofo. You know? All right. Okay, anyway, live good. Even my hat is green, and right there, those it looks kind of like implants, or are they green tomatoes? I don't know, but anyway, to grow usually involves the color green. Okay, when you see green grass, and when winter is over here in Utah, everything starts getting nice and green. All right, it's beautiful here, especially in the summertime. All right, I like green. Okay, and I hope you do too, because green can also mean moolah. All right, code name money. And whenever I talk about money, I always do this with my fingers. It's kind of quotation marks. Okay, disclaimer. I can't guarantee or promise you're going to make any moolah, but you know what? I'll do the best I can to show you what I do. Okay, I'm a storyteller. All right, so anyway, a couple questions today come in. I had someone just sign up from Japan, okay, and also Turkey. All right, it is almost Turkey Day here in about a week. It is Thanksgiving, but I am talking clear across the ocean in the country of Turkey. Okay, so welcome aboard, you two that just joined me in Live Good. Okay, let me go ahead and shrink myself up here a little bit. Okay, the question I got is, how should I promote Live Good? Obviously, the products, they speak for themselves. That's how they became aware of Live Good, and that's how I did too. I was a big fan of the products before being an affiliate. Okay, so this person said, I'm a big fan, and you know what? It took him a month. He got a hold of me and he said, until I get the products and I take them myself, and I really do feel that they're worth the money and they make me feel good, then I'll become an affiliate because I'll have a story to tell. Okay, so anyway, about an hour or so ago, this person became an affiliate. And that, guys, is exactly what I did. Clear back. Oh, I think March or April is when I joined Live Good in 2023. So about a year and a half ago. Okay. So over that year and a half, I've been able to sign up almost 400 people. I sign up sometimes as high as 15 people a month. Right now, I think I've been averaging about 10, and I'm starting to hit my stride here because now the summer is over here in Utah. The car shows have kind of hibernation mode because when it's cold, you don't want to have car shows outside. That's for sure, right? So right now I'm going to have plenty of time to just market and talk and storytell about this great company, Live Good. And I love doing videos like this, okay? So anyway, you can see in the middle of my screen, joincory.com. This is the first thing that I recommend you do if you join my team or anyone's team, or you just join Live Good in general. Get yourself a personal domain like the one you see in the middle of my screen. Now, my name is Cory, C-O-R-Y. So I bought joincory.com. I bought workwithcory.com. I bought CoryDraper.com, CoryJDraper.com, and I also bought joincorynow.com because I have a whole bunch of other things that I do online. And I just like to use those words. Okay, I bought some funny domains too, like isuckatmarketing.com. I sell CBD oil, so I bought bitchincbdoil.com. I recommend you go to GoDaddy. Okay, if the domain is brand new, they're only about anywhere from about $8 to $11.99 because there's coupon codes all the time. But the most you're ever going to spend right now is $11.99, and that is out the door. That's all the fees and everything. If you just want a brand new domain name, like joincory.com when I bought it, then I go ahead and just simply forward to the Live Good capture page, which I'll show you, okay? I recommend you get business cards. This is a Vistaprint business card, and if you want to go to vistaprint.com, just get the basic business card. The back of my cards, if you can see me, I just have white, but on the front of them, it looks exactly how that template is on the screen. All right, I made them red with white font. And you got to admit, that Join Cory just jumps off the card. Even if it's like 3 or 4 feet away on top of a desk, you can read it. And I just put my email address. Okay, I didn't put my phone number and all this other contact information. It gets a little distracting because at the end of the day, I want people to go to joincory.com because then they can go to my capture page. Okay, watch videos. And if they like the video they watch, then maybe they will buy the products or become an affiliate. Okay. So couple things I do. And if I were you, okay, first get a domain name. Okay. And then join LiveGood, of course, and get a business card. Okay. Now I want you to see here, I'm on the leaderboard. Okay. Where am I here? I look like I'm about number 27. I got a couple more people signed up. So I'm nearing 400. Okay, give me another month and I should be in the 400 range. And that's exciting because I'm not a guru. I don't have a lot of experience doing this type of business. I've got about a year and a half in. And what I've learned is just to keep things super simple. Okay, this is nothing more than the LiveGood website. And you get this when you join. Products, go through every one of them. Click the learn more because you're going to learn more about every product, what they look like, the label. See how the little thumbnails? Click them. You can see how cheap our products are, wholesale or retail. And if you want to get a membership price that's considered wholesale, $9.95 a month, guys. That's all you spend. And everything, even hats and shirts we sell, you get wholesale. There's the description of all our products, the seals of approval, how to use all of our products. And here's our competition. Now, we're a wholesale-based company via membership. Okay, we make the products, the containers too. And we distribute our products here in America out of Jupiter, Florida. So since we're a wholesale-focused membership site, no one's going to beat our prices. We make the products for people to resell. Okay, product review. But just go to the products tab. Then go to the FAQ. I tell people, please go here because there's a ton of questions and just click the lines and they're answered. Okay. Probably 80% of your questions are right at the FAQ. Okay, see right there on the left of my screen? So product tab, FAQ, then go to the bottom of your cell phone or your screen on your, let's say, home computer or laptop. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Click it, and here's the whole pay plan, just completely explained. Okay, just read it. Take your time. There's 7 ways we get bonuses based on the membership side. But do the easy thing. Go to the bottom and watch this YouTube video. It's awesome. It's extremely well made by LiveGood. And in my opinion, it's the best way to understand the comp plan. Watch it a few times because you're not going to understand everything about LiveGood the first time, but it is pretty simple. $49.95. Guys, you got $9.95 a month. You're a member. $40 one time to be an affiliate. Maybe get a hat. Maybe get some LiveGood shirts. It's up to you. They have beanie caps and even some hoodies for the winter time to keep you guys nice and warm, okay? But please go to the website, look at the FAQ, and check out the pay plan, okay? Now, I'm going to show you what the capture page looks like. This is what you get, all turnkey mode, when you join our great company, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just joincory.com. Now, I just told GoDaddy forward to my capture page. And this is what a capture page is. And I want you to do this right now. Put in your name and your email. Reserve my position. All it does is get you on an email list. So every day you get 1 email for 30 days. I want you to collect them. Because if you join LiveGood, you can use those emails, send them to people and get really good education about LiveGood. Okay. And then watch this YouTube video for sure. And then if you want to join LiveGood, just go to your LiveGood email. Okay, that's where you get out your debit card, credit card. Maybe you got Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. You guys figure it out. We're a worldwide company. We're in over 200 companies, 1.6 million members, and we do about 15 million bucks of wholesale goods right now, just sending out products worldwide. We use, let's see, United States Post Office, here local with tracking, and then across the planet, DHL International with tracking. So when you do purchase products, just go in your LiveGood website, and there's a line that shows your order, and it's a little tiny little word that says tracking. Click it, and you can see where your products are. Because obviously, I live in Utah. So if I order products on Monday, I get them by Thursday or Friday. It takes like maybe 4 business days, maybe 5 at the most. But if you live around the world, we are working on distribution centers in Nigeria, Africa, all over Asia, because we're in Pakistan. China is huge, obviously. The UK, down under in Australia. What's going on, mate? Okay. Even up in Canada and our buddies down in Mexico. Guys, when you're a worldwide business, and you grow as fast as we are, and in a couple weeks, we're only 2 years old with 1.6 million members and affiliates, okay? Massive success. But just give us time. Just take your time, relax. You don't have to join Live Good today. And if you want to, then that's awesome. There's always advantages when you join an opportunity like this sooner rather than later. Now, we're signing up about 2,500 people per day, okay? 60,000 a month. We used to be at 100,000 last year. We're still signing up 60,000. That's just every 30 days, guys. That's really awesome success, okay? So if you live outside of the United States, no problem. And if you have any questions about shipping, handling, how long does this take? Can you send CBD oil across state lines? Because I don't think you can up in Canada, which is a country, last time I checked. Italy, I don't even think you can ship coffee into Italy. But your country, outside of America, you guys have your own rules and regulations and what you can and cannot have shipped to your, let's say, front door. But get a hold of LiveGood, support@livegood.com. Just write them, and they might be busy, might take a half day. Maybe I'll take a day to get back with you. But any questions, get a hold of customer support. They're awesome, okay? That's it. There's nothing left for me to do except say join. Welcome my friend who's in Japan. It's a lady who's super nice. And of course, my buddy that joined in Turkey. Okay, so anyway, business cards, joincory.com. Can you see? Oh, I guess I'll put them in the webcam. Okay, that's all I do. Vistaprint.com. Get yourself a box. Go to GoDaddy. And then with your domain name, you can forward to the Live Good capture page. It's so much easier than saying go to livegoodtour /username, and no one will remember any of that stuff. It's a lot funner too, but shorter the better. Get something really fun, and you'll own that domain name. Like I said, if you go to GoDaddy, 24 hours a day as a human you can call. So don't waste a lot of time trying to figure stuff out online. Just call GoDaddy, Google their number. There's an 800 number, and then they're also in Arizona. Let's see, it's a 480 number, but you guys will figure it out, okay? All right, thank you for watching my YouTube videos. All right, live good, feel good. And you have any questions, get a hold of me, okay? All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.